This is behind the scenes of Chub Chub, and we're going to teach you how to make yellow snow. All you need is some yellow food coloring, looks like red, snow, and water.
Now time to make it. Take the water and the yellow food coloring. Pour like maybe 1 or 2 drops into the water.
Okay.
Probably 1 would be fine.
Shake it up.
If you can, like, find like maybe a spoon or something. Find like a spoon and mix it up a little bit. This is perfectly harmless. It can't hurt you.
See?
Trust me, I eat a lot of it.
Okay, now
And then
you take the yellow crap stuff and pour it into the snow.
it doesn't have to be
Yeah,
that
but
watery.
not that much. Hold on.
Yeah, I'll pour some of it out.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be that much because
I'm just trying
all
to
you
get
do
the
is
snow
pour
colored.
the yellow stuff into.
It's supposed to be
snow.
snow, but all we can get is ice.
It's not supposed to be that liquidy, but
Just, see, we don't really have like the outside snow, so we just do the ice.
and then you take the crap.
It's perfectly equal.
And that's behind the scenes of Chub Chub Eats Yellow Snow.
Bye. Yeah, we should restart that.
Okay.
I don't know why, I just got the feeling.
Here,
How do you-
keep it there. I'm gonna see if I can go find where it's going.
That's a good
Stop it,
shot
there's
though. How do you do that?
There's like a gray button.
Oh.